Top 6 Best Garage Toolboxes 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Its sliding workbench top is genius. This 2-drawer heavy-duty toolbox cart stands out. The top's 2 sliding trays lock securely, then pull apart for easy access inside. With a 220-pound capacity, it's sturdy. Locking drawers feature smooth ball-bearing slides and full-length pulls. The bottom tray has a raised lip preventing cargo loss. It's perfect if you need a compact, portable workbench in your garage. If you need many small drawers, this isn't for you. Overall, a clever, robust solution. Number 2. The extended side table truly sets it apart. This Husky 3304 mechanics cart offers ample workspace right where you need it. Built from durable alloy steel, it's perfect for garage DIY projects or professional mechanics. Its 4-wheel mobility makes moving tools around easy. It handles up to 75 pounds, great for hauling most items. Just know that 75-pound capacity isn't for your heaviest equipment. If you need a solid, portable workstation with extra room, this cart's a strong pick. Number 3. 36% more storage capacity. That's what the Husky Extra Deep 46-inch workbench offers. It's 24.5 inches deep, giving you tons of room in its 9 drawers. Plus, that extra depth means a larger solid wood top for all your projects. This mobile workbench is a smart pick for anyone needing serious organization in their garage. The only real caveat? Its 200-pound load capacity might not suit shops with very heavy machinery, but for general home use, it's an excellent value. Number 4. Unique handle design maximizes storage volume. This DEWALT rolling toolbox really stands out for capacity, thanks to its telescopic handle leaning backward. You get durable 7-inch wheels for easy transport and anti-rust metal latches for security. The push-button handle operation and bi-material top handle also make carrying convenient. It's a great pick for serious garage toolboxes setups. However, its large size means it's not ideal for small, quick jobs. If you need a deep, stackable carrier with excellent space, it's a solid choice. Number 5. Holds 580 pounds with all-steel construction. This 30-inch, 4-drawer tech cart is built tough. Its industrial powder coat resists rust, protecting your investment. You get 12,600 cubic inches of storage. The drawers have full extension ball-bearing slides and pre-cut non-slip liners, which is a nice touch. Plus, the lid stays open at 90 degrees with dual gas struts. One thing to note, the side tray is sold separately. Still, for a high-capacity, durable garage toolbox, this one's a real contender. Number 6. Superior tool security. This GEARWRENCH 3-drawer toolbox offers superior tool security. Its keyed center lock stands out, keeping your valuable garage tools safe. The black powder coat finish is another strength. It wipes clean easily, resisting rust. This makes it a durable, practical garage toolbox. With just 3 drawers, it won't fit a huge collection. Need massive storage? Skip it. For secure, organized access to essential tools, it's solid. Thanks for watching Best Garage Toolboxes. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.